Pull the needle out of this stitch. Then continue to hook 3 chain stitches in this stitch, and then you'll get a complete wheat ear pattern. The last 2 groups are also hooked like this to complete the wheat ear pattern. One slip stitch, then turn it over. After turning it over, we continue to pull a needle in this stitch. To pull out a stitch, continue to crochet 3 flower hearts. Then turn it over and do the same to make a slip stitch in this stitch. Then continue to crochet 3 hearts. Here we need to crochet 10 rows. I have crocheted 24 rows. Then repeat the first 2 rows below and crochet. Then crochet. You can crochet about 10 rows. Then turn it over to make a slip stitch. Here, you can crochet like this in every row. I've crocheted 5 rows, and here are then you can crochet it by yourself. I have completed 10 rows of crochet here. Then we cut the thread on this side and cut it off. Then take it out and hide the thread here. The crocheting method here is the same as before. Then I'll demonstrate 2 rows for you. Here, crochet 3 slip stitches. And the thread 3 times in this stitch. And hook it out. Then the second flower and wind the thread 4 times. Here we hook 2 groups in the same way. Here, the marker button is the same, hook 2 groups. The first row of the flower pattern is done. Then turn it over and use the needle to pull through. Then crochet 3 chain stitches.
Half flower pattern.
Then in the middle, make 3 complete flower hearts. Just crochet half of it at the end. Then make a slip stitch. Turn it over and pull through in this stitch. Continue to hook 3. And make a slip stitch. Then turn it over and pull it through this stitch. Then we continue to crochet and seam. It's the same as the bag strap on the other side. Just crochet 10 rows. Here I have finished crocheting the 10th row.
Then we leave the thread a little longer here.
2, so the bag strap part. Then we thread the needle through this pin too. So 2, so the bag strap part. Just sew the bag strap in alignment like this. So the bag strap together like this. After connecting the bag strap, we then pinch the bag strap into a circle too. So just pass the thread through like this. We can connect it to this position on this side. Then we'll thread the thread through this inside too. So the other side. You can sew it to this position on this side. In this way, the handle part of the bag strap is sewn. Pass the thread. Part here several times back and forth. Cut the thread here. Then we'll crochet a braid stitch. The button here.
In the middle of this position.
Hook 10 lock stitches. Leave a little longer thread for this part, and sew later, then use a pin to hide it inside the braided loop. Here, crochet 10 slip stitches. Then pull the thread through the same stitch. Cut this thread and pull it out. Use a pin to hide the finished loop and hide the remaining thread. Pull the thread from this end. Tie the two threads together. Use a pin and hide it inside the loop you just made. Then we'll sew on this horn button. There are also 6 here, and sew it in the middle. First, thread the needle through the button. In the middle. Take the end of thread. You come here. The button is sewn on like this. Then hide the 2 sides thread. Hide them in the loop you've made. Here on the other side, you can hide the thread by yourself in this way. This M-shaped snow is completed on our side. If you have any questions, you can go back and watch it again.